Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money to Pakistan using the Paysend app. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to download and install the Paysend app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and once done, just simply open the app. Then on the transfers page, this first page, this is where you can actually request and send money. But please keep in mind, if you can't find the send button in your Paysend app, it means that sending transfers is not yet available in your country. So as you can see, it's not yet showing on my end, so it's not yet available. But here's how it looks like. So from here, just simply tap send. Then you want to choose send money to someone else. Now enter the recipient's country. In this case, just choose Pakistan and then select the receiving currency. Then on the next page, simply choose how your recipient will receive the money. So it could be through a bank account, a card account, or even a mobile wallet. After that, just simply enter your recipient's details, including their full name, email, and payment information. And once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer, then Paysend will securely process your transaction. And depending on the recipient's bank or payment service, the money should arrive shortly. That's it. You've successfully sent money to Pakistan using Paysend. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.